whispers soft and low, echoes in a midnight show. City's heartbeat fades away. Stillness sings where shadows play. Neon lights like stars so true. Silent streets in shades of blue. Footsteps tap in gentle rhyme, lost in dreams of stolen time. We drift on clouds in city skies. Night unfolds a sweet surprise. Whispers dance on velvet air, finding peace in moments rare. Windows frame a world so vast, reflections of a quiet past. In this space where dreams collide, finding solace by your side. Faintest hum of distant cars, melodies from near and far, softly woven in the night, guide on hearts with pure delight. We drift on clouds and cities.